group. Fa molts anys que no hem anat de grup de barres aquí.
Ja jo al Pedraforca als 7 anys. Als 7 o 8 anys i...
Yes, they are following us. Hola.
Hola.
Lakota, hola.
Hola, ¿cómo estás, señora?
It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. Huh? ¿Sí o no?
Sí. Lo debo.
Compost, Daddy.
Sí. No, potser és la Leonardita, no, compost. No barreig.
Ah. És veritat.
Potser és la Leonardita que vam comprar.
Prohibido coger nueces.
¿Qué pasa si agafem una?
These are all, pero digo que prohibido ya. Nena.
Pero ¿qué
Ah,
pasa si
és aquest és el llac, no, papà?
Està tancat, no?
Hello everyone, good morning. So after yung excursion guys, pumunta kami sa town at nagpagasolina. And then pumunta kami sa Pakistani store to buy bread kasi yung mga bread na binili ko guys ng isang araw as in na ang titigas na. Kaya yun. And now I'm going to prepare food for lunch and then yasta. Time to eat. Hello guys, good morning. Today is Sunday at mag-vlog tayo, weekend vlog guys. Kasi yun lang ang time ko talaga na makapag-vlog. So, dalhin ko kayo sa aming araw and my husband. Good morning, magandang umaga.
Magandang gumaka.
And Hailey also. Good morning. Anak, you have to wear, you're wearing sweater. Okay, because it's very cold, guys. So, ayun. So, magluluto ako, guys, magluluto ako ng escudella, ang tawag nila dito, guys. Yung parang soup na mix na mga buto-buto ng baboy, baka, ano pa, parang, ano, guys, meatball na medyo malaki. What else? Manok. So, yun guys ang ating ilagay. Yun ang ating i-boil ng 1 hour maybe. And then we will add the chickpeas and also baked beans. Yeah, kidney beans. So, yun ang isahog natin. And then, pasta. So, yun ang isahog natin guys as in a super sarap. I will show you later. So, ayan guys, yung mga buto-buto, meatballs, tapos may sausage din na itim. Yan lahat ang ating i-boil. Lakota is going down. Very good, darling. Say hi. we let the goats and sheep, guys, to graze, and they are eating. And also, they let our our cat outside. Kasi guys, simula nung dinala namin siya dito sa loob ng bahay, my husband is saying hello. Hindi na siya lumalabas guys kasi nga as in a wild siya. Tapos yun, gusto namin na hindi niya makalimutan ang pagiging pusa, kaya ayan, dinala nila para naman makapasyal siya. If not, dito na lang siya sa loob ng bahay kung ganun. Kaya ayan.
No, like what?
Tapos yan, they are really enjoying eating. Yes, but because there are lots of grass to eat, Daddy. No?
If it's for real.
Huh?
Maybe I will give food to them in the afternoon.
Okay.
Because in the morning it's cold.
Hmm. Alright guys, so tinanggal ko na, kinuha ko lang yung guys, yung soup, and then nilagay ko dito sa isang pot, i-boil natin, hintayin natin mag-boil, and then ilagay natin yung rice, yung chickpeas, yung kidney beans, and some vegetables like carrots, and cabbage, tapos salt and pepper, tapos yun na guys, as in a super good. So, ito yung inilalagay ko guys, baked beans na white ang kulay, tapos yung chickpeas, tapos yung dalawang carrots, yun ang ilagay po natin. So, ayan na siya. Nakita nyo naman, inilagay ko na rin yung rice, pasta, na short pasta yun guys, na parang spaghetti pero short lang siya. Tapos, i-boil lang natin or hanggang maluto yung mga ibang ingredients. Tapos, ito naman yung pika-pika, something to eat before lunch. Tapos, ito na guys, yung outcome ng food. And then, after that, ang ginawa namin ay nanunood kami ng series guys when the phone rings. We're going to watch Moana 2. Moana. Hello guys! So, papunta na po tayo sa sinehan. Ganito po yung weather namin. As in na hindi mo talaga makita yung sasakyan na nasa harapan. Kaya we have to very careful and we have to use yung light na anti-fog sa front at saka behind. Para sa ganun, kung may kutse man na nasa likuran or harapan natin, makikita nila tayo. Minsan nakakatamad lumabas guys, lalo na kung so foggy kasi as in it's a little bit dangerous. Can you see yung nasa harapan na sasakyan, wala siyang ilaw. Nakita niyo naman yung sa likuran, wala siyang ilaw. Dapat may ilaw yun na red light na super potent guys para sa ganun makita natin. Finally, we reached the cinema at papasok na nga kami. So this time guys, medyo maaga. It's not totally maaga naman. Mga 15 minutes before the door opens. Yun, yung right time talaga guys na maganda ang pagpunta kasi you have time to buy something. Like the girls, they love to buy something sweet. And then, while nasa middle na kami guys ng film or movie, and then the girls will ask for popcorn. But sometimes we buy the same thing, popcorn and the sweets at the same time, para sa ganun hindi na kami lalabas. Kaso nga lang, kasi nga marami kaming nakain for lunch, so ang gusto lang ng mga bata ay yung sweet at that moment. But then, at the middle, they ask popcorn. So, ayun, kumain din kami ng popcorn. So, ayan, tapos na guys ang movie at pauwi na kami. Gabi na, pero as in na super thick pa rin ang fog guys. Kita nyo naman yung mga ilaw. As in na makikita nyo talaga na may fog pa rin.